Kuwait prepares for rainy season. Cleaning manholes and preventing floods, Mughal in Kuwait. As Kuwait gets ready for the upcoming rainy season, field teams are working tirelessly across all governorates to ensure the city stays safe and clean. From residential areas to major roads, teams from the Kuwait Municipality are cleaning and inspecting hundreds of manholes, removing debris, sand, and waste that could block the drainage system during heavy rain. These efforts are part of Kuwait's annual rain preparedness plan, aimed at preventing waterlogging, flooding, and traffic disruptions. The municipality urges residents to avoid dumping waste or oil into drains and to report any blockages immediately to help maintain smooth water flow during rainfall. Together, we can keep our roads safe and our city clean this rainy season. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates from Mughal in Kuwait.